Today it's a little bit rainy, but we're going to find something for free. We're going to restore it, resell it, and donate the profits to somebody on GoFundMe. Let's go. Right away on Facebook Marketplace, I found this dining table, but somebody had already snagged it. I was fortunate enough to get this one, though. It does have some damage, but I think we can restore it. All right, this dining table is only 13 minutes away. The girls are going to come with me. We're going to go pick this up right now. Looks like that's it right there outside, girls. This is a very large dining table with 6 chairs and a bench. So let's get this thing loaded up and back home. Shout out to my daughter for helping out. This dining set needs a lot of love, but my daughter is going to help me out, so she gets to choose who we're donating the money to. The bench needs to be reupholstered along with a couple of chairs. The top of the table has some clear coat issues with a lot of scratches, and every single chair has scratches. The only thing I think we can't fix, though, is the bottom footrest on this chair. We started by just cleaning the set, and I don't know why. Maybe somebody can explain this to me, but the clear coat on the set just started coming completely off. We were just using basic soap and water, so we just had to scrub this stuff off, and it took some time. After basically washing most of the clear coat off, I sanded it with 220 grit sandpaper to get any remaining clear coat that was damaged off. I also tried to work out any imperfections I could see on the tabletop. Now I'm just going to lightly stain the surface with some dark chestnut that I had laying around. It's a pretty close match, and it should help me work out any of the imperfections that are on the top of this table. This stain is almost an exact match and got rid of so many blemishes. After we're done staining, we're going to take some denatured alcohol and really clean the top of this table and get it ready for the lacquer. Let's get this table in the garage so we don't get any debris on our beautiful new clear coat. Let's mask up and get our first coat of lacquer on there. I'm probably going to end up doing 3 or 4 coats. While the lacquer dries, we are going to start touching up these chairs with permanent marker, and it actually works really well. Look at how awesome she is. She is dedicated to getting this thing completely restored and resold and donating some money and helping somebody out. And honestly, I was worried about this thing, but it's looking good. I mean, look at that tabletop. It looks brand new. All right, let's get these cushions reupholstered. I'm going to start with the bench. It's pretty easy. You take the screws off. I'm just going to use a screwdriver, and then the seat cushion just kind of comes off from the frame. You guys just found that in the lettuce?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Good thing we didn't eat them, huh?
Yeah.
Technically, you can reupholster over the old fabric and vinyl, but I don't like doing that because it doesn't look very good. I haven't really done this in a very long time, but we're just basically going to rip this off here and get started. Let's measure our vinyl out here. I was lucky to find an exact match, get it cut, and we will start stapling. She wanted to do a couple staples, so I had to let her. Like I said, I haven't done this in a while, but really the biggest thing about reupholstering a bench or anything is keep the fabric tight. It looks good. I'm going to use my wife's hairdryer to work out some of these wrinkles in the vinyl here, and then I'm going to get this thing put back together, and we're going to work on fixing this bench the rest of the way. On top of the permanent marker, we also use black spray paint and then just Old English to touch up the chairs and bench. I know this type of table isn't super popular anymore, but hopefully restoring this thing will save it from the dump. Let's get these chairs recovered and get this thing listed. My wife was kind enough to help us out, so this is a family project at this point. Overall, we spent about 2.5 hours, maybe 3, fixing this thing up, but we were hanging out and chatting, so that was great, and it looks awesome in the end. So we're going to list this, I think, for $280 to give somebody a good deal. All right, this table is on a journey. I'm pretty sure the people that are coming out right now to buy it are going to take it down to Mexico and resell it, which is a good thing, because this table will get used for a long time, but I'm going to ask them. I knew it. Man, I'm good.
Nice.
Are you going to take it to Mexico and resell it?
Sí.
Yeah? Yeah, I've had a couple people buy for me that do that. That's really cool. We sold this table very quickly because $200 is a steal, but my daughter thought it was cool that they were going to make some money as well. After deducting the $40 worth of material we put into this project, that's $160 we need to get to the bank, and then we're going to find who we're going to donate this to.
She spent about 15 minutes looking at campaigns on GoFundMe. She was initially going to donate to an animal, but she came across this family locally here in Phoenix, Arizona, who actually recently lost their dad, and they had only raised $10. So she wanted to donate to them to try to get their campaign going. To the Amber and Joey family, we hope this little bit helps out. Thanks for watching, peeps. We'll see you next time.